video I made yesterday that they see as an apology, that shows the level of low mentality of kind of people that are following Monica and even my ex-wife. So it's just a test, and it was so obvious. I don't see what I said, that I want to join foolish people, I want to join adulterous people, I want to join Abros to be doing adulterous, that Monica can even let us be doing it together. How come that they are this slow and they now call it apology? Bloggers begin to cut, paste, and call it apology. So now they expect me now that I will go and start sleeping with her or doing all sorts of things. Since I make that then we can together and be doing what they want me to do. I don't know how it turned out to be apology. Monica, if Monica owes me apology, or even the grandchildren or yet unborn will look for me and apologize. They said Monica swear. They should wait for the swear to work so I can apologize when the swear catch me. Are you with me?
Sir, I'm hearing you.
I can apologize when the swear catch me. If he swear according to the fans and swear can't enter their house, swear can't enter their house, can't help me remove my enemy. That means na blessing, exactly. Na me they even help. If her swear is the one that removed the woman, be trying, doing everything possible, her swear can't make the woman disgrace herself, her swear can't make police not meet me for house, then a good na blessing, not be swear. So that is, by the way, so that is just, I think I'm done with that. They own my property, they stole my property, my money is with Monica, and even the press I reported then that she refused to go. They said her case many there, make her bring something, make her swear for her. I said, no, I wanted it to be judged in a way that we just publish it, not swear. I can't spend my money to swear for her. That one normal. If person there like me say, well, a person there like me, well, so I didn't swear for her. She should know, the fans should know that I didn't swear for her, because I can't even use my 10,000, even 5,000, excuse me, to say I want to swear for her. So I will do that. So that I'm not supposed to talk about it, but for the fact that it may you want to, as a son, you just want to understand it. That is it, and I don't want to talk about it. It was a mock. I was mocking them, and it was obvious. And the only person that I, from the bottom of my heart, is Okpaika. Okpaika is my sister. I've done a lot of things with their family positively, and something happened to turn out like that. Cheat and tongue, the quarrel. So I realized, I begged the mother, was it last year or so? I begged the mother, it's publicly, I begged her, even though they may not hear that. So I can't beg mother without begging her. They didn't do me anything. I saw something, I speak out, and they got angry. That's why I said we start to be up and down in friends and become enemies. She's my sister, and I can't, no matter how many years we may be having hostility, I don't think it's worth it. So I apologize to her, and I'm still apologizing to her right here. I've asked for forgiveness, and she has forgiven me. That is Okpaika. And the mother, I will send my family down there to go and see the mother, so that it won't be like Facebook something. So I'm done. After that, I don't think how isn't a joke, and I don't think I have any other serious something in that video. I was just testing their brain and mocking them. Now that is a test of memory, and they have a very low mentality to have called that an apology. Then that person or persons must be sick, and I don't. Anyway, maybe we'll go to
other
much,
sir, for
question of the day.
That part. Thank you so much. I appreciate. The second question now is about your family, your ex-wife, because since then, honestly, I'm not following the situation online. Honestly, I'm not following it. But I see that you have issues with your ex-wife. That is what I saw. Yeah. So, sir.
All right. I still want to teach you something. I want to teach you something as somebody that is growing at that wish to go beyond today. When you have a rumors that somebody is saying elsewhere, even though I'm the one that say, as a journalist, if you want to get the person talking, the person you are interviewing, you don't use the elsewhere. You just, even though you just call wife. Then you see the man sparking. Don't call him my wife, this and that. Then you have created another content by trying to pinch the person. So you don't need to conclude and say elsewhere. Then you will not see my action again. Then you will not see my action again. But I want to say, don't. So just as a journalist, you must twist certain fact that you know. when you twist the fact, the person that you are interviewing will help you to straighten it. Say, so you have missed a point, but no problem. She is my ex, and I'm just going to summarize it for you. I'm only going to talk about what happened here. So I'm not going to start from anything because I can do anything for you. So yes, I brought her here. You all saw that, and I spent money and I bought house. For me, I cannot be that, low to buy house in abroad when I have other things to do with money back home. But I have to do it for her and the children, which I did. I think I was trying because you can't satisfy women. Both in any ways, you can't satisfy women. So in the process of trying to satisfy women, that means you don't want to live long or you want to have some sickness in whatever. So which I know for me, I know I did my best and my best was good enough. So I was very happy with myself. So until these persons came, because I never meet to rent my house, but these people say they are following us. They were begging that they want to rent from me for some time because they are coming from another country to stay in the Netherlands. So I helped them process everything. He's married one Oibo and he need paper and all that. So they are managed. There are people that manage. As far as I'm concerned, and their condition, they are nowhere. They are not okay yet. Both the Oibo and them, they are not. It's Bulgaria, but Nigeria is better than Bulgaria. So I decide to assist, but thereafter I was seeing something. There are 3 weeks. It didn't last a week before I started seeing something. 3 of them would be doing enemy with me. My wife, the Uche and the Oibo will be keeping enemy with me. When they say enemy, if I enter house and I sit there in this parlor, no one will greet me. Uche is not greeting me. The Oibo wife is not greeting me. Then my wife will just be complaining when I enter. I beg, not in all the house. If I go out, there is something. I say, what? You just said something is not at home now. So I begin to understand. So when I will sit there discussing, see the attitude of my wife, see the complaint, I was no. Then if the guy want to pass road, you will come out for road for woman to pass. The guy will be on the road. Now, if my wife want to go to kitchen, the guy will not move an inch. The body of the guy will touch my wife. So it was 5 days ago. I saw another one say, and I called the guy. Are you crazy? Didn't you see my wife is coming? You didn't leave the road, and my wife now use body to rob you. So all those things. Because I'm not talking, so my wife feel like maybe it's European law that what other people do, that is why maybe something will catch me. So I don't I was forming Mugu to get more evidence, even the one they are doing in my front. So let's cut the story short until this day when I see that my what do I say it? Our visitor that came from Spain to greet us booked ticket for a week. If you are following us, you see what he brought, everything. And my wife, the visitor still told us that if she didn't buy anything for the children, because she don't know the size of the children, that when she's in the Netherlands, she will follow us to any supermarket or shop or whatever to buy the exactly size of the children. She went there. My wife made her to buy one that is necessary. But I already showed to the woman, say, you are buying 2 things for code. And I know those 2 things is expensive enough. She shouldn't spend much. 20 euro, that is 40 euro. We know how much 40 euro is now in Nigeria. When my wife followed her, my wife point almost everything. So when they returned back, I was crying. I didn't say thank you to the woman. I said, woman, because I know that woman managed. She do fabric work. With shame, that woman almost empty her account. I was not happy. So to cut the story short, that kind of woman who brought something, who spent a lot. The second day, my wife was already asking the woman when I'm not at home. That is because him and Uche have no time to pay. Was asking the woman, when are you going back? The woman now called me from work. I beg, I would like to go soon. I said, but you told me it's on 7 days. This is just second day. He said, your wife is disturbing me. He said, when am I going back? So when he started disturbing the woman, it become an enmity to the woman. Then when Uche is trying to talk to me anyhow, my wife will just call the woman up. I didn't know. You say, since you came, you brought problem to our house. So you brought problem to our a stranger brought problem to you. Then I now understand with my level of thinking that means what I am thinking is true. For you to be pushing this woman to go just for a week. Uche that will be here till you may not even go Nigeria. That means something is happening for pushing this woman out. That is when the very day the woman left, that is when I bought camera. That is when I bought things, that bag and everything to fix the camera. That's when I went and bought power bank to connect the phone and everything. The woman left on Monday. I bought those things on Monday and I connected it. I connected it that Monday and I fixed it on Tuesday. The woman left on Tuesday, sorry. The woman left on Tuesday. I bought those things on Tuesday and I fixed it Wednesday morning and I installed it on Wednesday morning as I was going to work. That is when the trap catch. So in the process of the trap catch, you mean the woman left today, they do it tomorrow. That means that's why we were driving the woman, say, why you brought Robert, why are you going? You know? So what you people saw, I cannot explain it. That's when I said, if you want to watch it, I send message, you're like, go and watch it. So what you saw on that video, it's not good, it's not bad, but when you know the level of my wife, ex-wife, then you will know, okay, why must so person be doing like this? You understand what I mean? So what you watch there, I'm not ready to explain because that's why I share it publicly for people's opinion. So that is what happened. So where I'm going to start from now is when I saw that they removed the camera and the guy is deleting it, and I called my wife phone. My wife did not pick. Then Anna quickly called the guy's phone. The guy took like 5 minutes or 2 minutes before he picked. And I tell him, please, if you delete that video, better find a way of replacing, because something will happen if you delete that video. Because if you did not do anything, it's only the video that will speak for you. I don't need to speak for you and my ex. The guy now says, sorry, he has deleted it. So I later, and I call my wife and my ex now pick again, now pick this time. And I say, please tell your husband not to delete my video. She said, I said, this is not the time to argue. Go and meet Uche not to delete my video. So which they did not give me a good answer. And I said, okay, if I am home, if that video is deleted and I'm at home, among 3 of us, 1 person will enter prison. Among 3 of us. So before I got home, if you can see that video, my house was open. The front door was open. Nobody, everywhere empty. No Uche, my 2 children are not there. My ex-wife is not there. But when I was coming from outside, the big shop, Ashton, close to me, everybody were looking at me. Clients were outside because police are there. And they were shifting back. They were looking at me. You know, I was kind of, what happened? And police vehicle was already outside. So in the next 5-10 minutes, police came to knock at the door and tell me about my wife, that my wife called, or people call my wife. You know, they will say your wife called, the other one can say some people call. In short, the police vehicle that was outside more than 10, police that came was more than 30. So they said the allegation is that my wife said, I want to kill and buy her. I now asked the police, say you want to buy her. Yeah, the police now tell me, for a woman to sleep with another man in Netherlands is not a problem. I say I know. He now say in Nigeria that my wife said then that if person do like this and kill, then they kill her. Not knowing that she's processing her asylum. Same person, if another woman sleep with another wife, a man suspect, say na buy that they buy and we they buy the woman. The police now ask me, and I say no, nothing like that. That in Nigeria, also if a woman do commit adultery, you will have to walk away if you don't want again, or you have to do some cleansing, which I don't want to do cleansing. That's what I told the police. The police now say, okay, that they will take her to hotel and the children today, but when my brain and her brain calm down, they will bring her back tomorrow. And I said, no, I don't need her again. And police now told me this is when her ticket is due to go back. That I should let her stay. I say, no, but even my children, they are not going to Nigeria again. And all that. So that is exactly what happened, and that is where I may want to stop. She called the police on me, and she did what she did. And another prayer you are seeing on social media, what I've said before. So so much like it's not something I even wanted to think I want to talk about. I said at my convenience time and from my page, but That is it. I don't know if you have any other related question
I
or
only have
different
one
question.
more. Because what you have explained so far, you just made us to understand that everything that you have posted and talked about your ex-wife is nothing but the truth. That is what your explanation is all about.
Yeah, sure.
The last one that I want to ask is this.
Okay, let me respond to that one first about the truth. Okay. It's nothing but the truth. Everything. And if she also feel or felt it's not the truth, there is one juju they swear in their place. They call it Aleku in Benue State. It's like the real Ayelala in Yoruba land. They're not born you well, may you go swear and say you want to pray over it. So the family called me, say I should take it easy. That if their sister said she did not do anything, or even though she assists, they will invite her to come home and swear Aleku. So if she knows she has not done anything, she should be the one to even come online, say make una not worry, I'm going to Nigeria, we'll go and swear Aleku. So I'm not saying she have accepted, but I'm only saying if really she want to prove herself right, there is alternative. But since then she has not spoken, and I know what I have said, even what I have said is not up to half of the things that happen in the 6 years, but I don't want to start feeding people because people of our level, they always want to talk down on what I'm saying because they do the same thing. So, but me, I'm the one that is wearing the shoe. I know where I'm feeling the pain. I know what I should do as a man. And I want to use it to set example to so many women that it's not all men you can just do such thing to. And I also want to let her know in her next husband, you should know that there are men that can really do and undo. And as for Ambrose and Monica, I've heard before that they are accusing her of DNA for one of the sons. So if they are so truthful to themselves and to the world, there's nothing wrong in doing DNA. As they can see, I know when I impregnated my ex, I know, even though I'm still requesting for DNA, and I will still do DNA. So they, apart from creating content, Monica should try and create some air. I know people that follow her, they are like her, because if they are not like her, they will advise her, say, why is it difficult to do one or two things to make us happy, so that to not, when you say show me your friend, I tell you who you are, or bird of the same feather flock together, then let us see us and see you and know that, yeah, we're in the right channel. Like for instance, now after today, now after we confirm this thing of my ex in a way we want to confirm it in the future, anybody that will be supporting her on social media, you will just understand that, okay, this is the same woman doing the same thing.
Exactly.
So show me your friend, I tell you who you are. Anybody can have friends. Any friends of Monica, there is no reliable person with reliable husband that will say, oh, this woman they are accusing is what is carrying my wife everywhere. You must do certain things for reliable people, responsible people to follow you. To follow you, go and clear the air. Let her do one or two things. She have not been able to clear the air in my own issue. Then she now went, they say she went and swear for herself in no place. Is that how they swear? I am still looking for the juju. Please help me, Enoje. Any of your fans that know where to locate that juju, una go do content tire. I will arrest them, bring bulldozer, they will break down the juju like this. The way they do one juju for Igbo, now I want do one. Because as a traditional person, there is a law in when you want to swear. You will invite the person, 1, 2, 3, the third one, you still send a message and say, we are going to swear. And when they want to swear, they must still swear in the right way. Say, if I do, if I not do. They only need to send me fine. Say, you will pay fine for not coming, for not honoring us. Though they can never swear and swear wrongly. My phone number is everywhere worldwide. My address is on internet everywhere. So if you use your page to reveal to me the juju, my brother, una go do content tire. Mobile police, anything, even if one police want to arrest, I will make sure say I use truck, fair go there. They will park juju con station. Then at the end of the day, I will take permission for court. Then will level that she ran. So my name will be there. That is what I'm looking for. I did not beg Monica. In juju self, if they carry the whole world together, juju, you know, will touch me. So the fans should know that if I thought that juju gets more power, he comes to work for me. As they said that, if to say get power, he enter say, this man, we want help and remove Monica spirit for my house. The juju came and locate Monica spirit and take the Monica spirit, which is my ex-wife, away. The juju came and take their partners in crime. You think as I did online, not be make you way, make I reach Nigeria. If I not carry musician fame, this earth leave my house. Okay. Then you go no. Party,
Sir,
party after
I
party.
understand you perfectly. When you get to Nigeria, you are going to carry musician because your ex-wife.
You don't know. Am I joking? Ask my people that are there. They will tell you how many years I have been coming online, doing everything to drive this woman. It's on everywhere, not be today. I've done everything to drive and not be secret online. Online. So if now Monica Juju can't help me drive this Monica spirit that is in my house, oh boy, I will even tell Monica, thank you for that one. Even though I want to arrest the Juju, I'll tell the Juju, that thing you send actually work for me. Oh, thank you, but I will still destroy you for not inviting me to swear.
Okay, if I understand you now, sir, the Juju that they went to swear, if you know the address, you will level the Juju.
They will never exist again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. The interview is finished.
I send Juju message to her. There is address, there is location. They don't send me anything, they swear. You know what? The law is in the court, it's in the constitution, it's also in the traditional constitution. It's not done. It's evil. That is not called justice. Juju temple is called temple of justice. It's like court. They want to hear from both sides. They now swear. If you say you do, say like that. If you do not do, say like that. They don't. That thing they have done. I only need somebody maybe through you to reveal the address. I can buy ticket for that thing, even though it's family or just ticket.
Can do about that because I have a lot of informants that gives me information and the rest of that. Sir, thank you so much. I really appreciate you for coming to my live stream today. In fact,
there is one question you haven't asked. Is it missing? You said the last question, and I excuse you to hold on. Okay, it's okay. Maybe you have cited it. It's okay. It's okay. Don't go and ask wrong questions if you don't have the important ones again.
I don't think there is wrong. I appreciate the fact that you came here today and you honor my invitation to my show. I say thank you so much, and I hope to see you.
Thank you so much. My mama say you be he goat. Say he goat, not they pay diary, not they use money marry. Now then, anyway, goat when you see they like him. You are handsome. You are handsome. Your wife should hold you well. She not see your today. She see your tomorrow. Your mama say working. You are handsome. May enemy not change your body, change your height, change your mind. Shall be well with you and your home, and you should also respect your wife the same way she's respecting you. Children don't take grand. I believe so now on our years when I don't say don't pass our years. So if you can reach this stage with children, marriage have up and down. No, if not be say you find something another thing inside marriage. I cannot tell anybody say leave this one, go another one. You could do all the women to do. So no, if you leave this one, that you will see that one. So anything you can manage, I beg my brother, manage it. Don't leave your woman if it's something you must manage. So your woman should also not leave if it's something manageable, because it's only when life is involved that you say no. If life is not involved, if anybody sleeping with somebody's wife, any woman sleeping with another man, you should know as a man, your life is in danger. If they love themselves, you know there's something like one night stand. After one night stand, if the love come past one night stand, you are in danger. And you can't the time when they supposed meet, you not know, but you are in between. Your life may be cut whatever short. So if all those things not involved, say another man day, when would they stay center? Every marriage, I advise that they should manage it. So what I mean, manage yourself. You know, I preach love, I preach togetherness. So if it happened to me, doesn't mean I am not worthy to advise you. I have been praying over this. I cannot even say it happened to me. I say my God answered my prayer, because I do both spiritual work, everything. You know, say when when Ogun wan kill by person. Now driver when they say, you know what be say. Driver when problem dey head. Now the Ogun they go enter to buy who dem swear for. So woman when they push things say make come up from my house, he must enter one boy when he get problem. When he will take drive man. You know here the boy tell say if papa get stroke, if mama get stroke and get tumor in her head. They have family issue. That is why my prayer say come fit work to take this thing out. I greet all of you once again. I greet the fans, the ones that meet me talking, and the one that wasn't here. And I wish you all well. Please be cool in your home. Respect your husband. Respect your wife. Whatever you gather today, home and abroad, if there is no peace in your house, you may not live to enjoy that strength you have applied in reaching your today. So please let there be peace in your house. Let there be peace in your house. And I pray for you all watching. There shall be peace in your union.
Thank
Amen.
You, sir.
Have a nice evening.
So thank you, sir.
All right.
People, you said that Monica spirit day, yes. So, I come back to puppies. Mahamua. I come back to puppies. Next time, they listen before they accept apology. When they talk this apology yesterday, it constantly that Mogbe, oh yeah, tell you. Monekia spirit way there boas. Now the juju wanna go swear for a job, remove for years. Na year and lad clear. Shebu na year and lad clear say. Now a better spirit way they ask. He don't try everything to take pursue that woman. If ma talk this kind of thing, say he don't try everything to take pursue woman. You know, say that woman don't do a lot. That is the truth. Because swagalicious or he like your wife. Let me can't bring her money away from Nigeria. Can Europe? He really love the woman. But if you call it some kind of things where you never see before for woman body, sorry, you know, so anything my people. So why wa West Vada na menenogi on a level ya igwa hireba ido sodogbe. Ka wekwa ugbe wa gba we 7:30 Omozwo Sylvia Sylvia Lalui Omozwo 7:30 every evening wa don wa here so wa gun wa bo lawa mo be le wa o wa any see the shame and disgrace when you tell of my body all in the name of where una one guy no get we now ended up disgracing yourself or body when una say obo they pass through a lot. Where obo they look for according to obo, he said they look for the address. He said they look for the address. Nonsense.
Hello,
yeah, you are talking. Callers can call you now.
How about the voter?
Continue.
Who the heck have me made where I go better, keke fast there? Yeah, my where or Boget or apologize.
We are got anyway.
Reno, you have to tell the lady if we go better to boy. Yeah, I'm not apology no boy no the less of money there where I got all money can lose. Oh, I need all my money where I apologize bolia.
God bless you.
He got trouble mock here. He got trouble mock here. Yeah, I want to know one man. Oh, you know, I'm going to look you.
We'll see.
All right, let run.
We'll see. Not be say people to like apology. Echo better people. Here working another way. Here. Must everybody apologize to you? Echo better not be person get friend, not be person wife. And your cook